What's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, how are you? My name is Elena and this is my channel. So on today's video, you probably saw the thumbnail, you definitely saw the title. I'm going to be DIYing the Nike Air Force 1 butterfly sneakers. I think they're cute, I think the butterflies are adorable, but I don't have the $180 to spend, so I thought DIY yourself. As you can see by my desk right here, in the past few months I've gone on a lot of painting, creative DIY adventures. But the next question was, where do I get these white sneakers? A pair of shoes I own, I got at Savers for, I really want to say, $6. They will be my victims in this video today. They are these old men New Balance orthopedic shoes. They're Velcro. There is also no soles in them. I don't know what happened with that. This is how they came. This is the package and the condition they came in. As you can see, these are absolutely disgusting. First step is we need to clean them. So I thought a magic eraser. I want to see if this, oh yeah, that was a lot. Oh my god, I dipped it like it was like a fun dip. Like, relax. Stop, drop, and roll. This works. Can you imagine how much money Mr. Clean made once they introduced the magic eraser? While I'm doing this, and I guess to add in some conversation, I've been watching Tiger King like every single person in America and possibly other countries in the world. I'm sure they're not missing out on just the prime example of how crazy our country is and the people in it. I can only take that show in small doses. Everyone I know is like, I've been binging it. I binged it in a night or 2 nights, and I'm like, oh, it's been taking me like a couple of weeks and I'm only like just on episode 5. And I did 2 podcasts on it. Crime Next Door podcast, check it out. Every single person in that, I can't handle. They give me a headache. This is the best these are gonna get. Paint these white. We're gonna use this brush. I'm hoping this works. Like, I'm hoping this doesn't look janky, but time will tell. Well, again, time will tell. Nice, good work, good work. I finished. They're white. They're as good as they're gonna get, to be honest. I went white everywhere. I traced butterflies, which were like huge, but I decided to go online and print out a butterfly, and it came out this small. This is fine, it's fine, but I wanted something a little bit bigger, so I put this on a piece of paper and I traced, to the best of my ability, a bigger butterfly. So I'm gonna be using these two. So I'm gonna be tracing these on the shoes. I hope this looks good. It's gonna be a miracle if you can see that. That is not terrible. I'm gonna go through the rest of it and keep tracing. Look at that. Who would have thought? Not me. All right, next is going to be painting these. You have no idea how scared I am for this moment. Basically, the colors, it's definitely this blue right here. This is a little bit, and then this on the inside, I think. Painted the base. So I'm done painting the base with this blue, cerulean blue color. It's not terrible. I had to go in a second time just to like make it thick enough. So far, so good. I'm hoping it can only go up from here. I'm nervous for the detail part, not gonna lie. Around the wing, outer wing area, there's that blue, and then on the inside it looks like a lighter blue, almost white. This one is called Brilliant Blue. I kind of did like an outline, and then I kind of like went like that to really mesh it. I'm not an artist. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know if that actually looks good or if it'll look better. Well, up close it doesn't, but when I'm looking in the mirror from a distance, it really does highlight it or outline it, or both. I don't. All right, so we did it. Well, we're not done. I'm excited. Like from afar, they really do look like the Nike Air Force Ones, except also not, because you can tell that they're Velcro orthopedic shoes. I hope this works good. I don't know. Oh God. I don't know. That looks a little stupid. Honest to goodness, that doesn't look terrible. Some of these came out good, some of these didn't. The next and last thing to do is Sharpie. So I have this thin Sharpie and this one. This one I'm gonna outline the outer edges of the wings and the whole butterfly with, and this one I'm gonna go in to add some detail. I am done with the first butterfly. With this all coming together, it doesn't look bad at all. Like, I'm actually very proud of myself. I'm done. I'm kind of happy with them, but like, look at that. Look at them. I just feel like I did a fairly good job. I actually really like the way they look. I think they came out really good. I'm proud of myself. They're not perfect, but hey, from where I started with trying to learn how to paint and be a better artist to now, I grew. And then when I showed my mom, she was like, oh, they're good. And then she goes, wait, did you paint those? And I said, yeah. And then she freaked out because she at first thought I gave up and just put stickers on them. But I'm really proud of myself. These are really cool. That was the end of my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. You can pull this off, or even better, why pay $180 for the real deal? I will catch you in next week's video. Bye.